Hi, today we are saying this in this video. In one stock is giving for the during 5 years, the stock is giving for returns for 2064%. That stock we are seeing in this video. That stock name is the Mustang Limited. That Mustang Limited share is the in during 5 years for or this giving for the returns for 2064%. This stock is business sector is the IT sector. IT sector for this business sector, and the Mustang Limited share is 1 year and 5 years before that share price is the 138 rupees. But 138 rupees you are buying for 1000 shares, and your investment amount is the 1,38,000 rupees. 1,38,000 rupees today. That present share price is the 2,845. 2,845 to you have to calculate for the 1000 shares. It becomes for the 28,45,000. You are getting for that your investment amount the 1,38,000 rupees, 1,38,000 rupees. It almost for that 28 times your money is compounding. So how to that stock you are getting for returns 28 times. That stock is giving for that in during 5 years for that 28 times returns in almost is giving. So you are investing. So today is that people are working for in 1 lakh salary, 1 lakh salary, 1 lakh salary. 1 lakh salary job is to not 1 lakh salary. Today people are working for 1 lakh salary. People 1 lakh salary job is not enough for this bulk of returns amount, because that in 1 lakh salary is giving for the 1 lakh salary. There people are working and in job. They are earning. People are earning in 1 lakh salary in job. They are also not enough. They are also not saving for that in 5 years during 28 lakhs. They are not to count for saving that this bulk of amount, because that you have taking for that in 1 lakh salary in end of month. It becomes that 40 to 50,000 rupees is mentioned today in expenses are happening, because that you have to have to for getting from the salary is to 30 to 40% of commitments is must every person is to have. So that's why you can't save for that bulk of returns, because that in something during 5 years it's something is big promise is coming, something is happening, of risks, something unhappening, something theft or anything some problems, big promise is coming. So that's why you can't save for that. You can't save for this bulk of returns. You are earning for 1 lakh, it becomes for 30 to 40,000 rupees. Your expenses is happening. In remaining is you are saving for that remaining for 60,000 rupees. 60,000 rupees it becomes in 1 year for your saving amount is the 7 lakh rupees. 7 lakh rupees 7 lakh rupees you have to calculate for that in 5 years. It becomes that is 35 lakh rupees it becomes. But 35 lakh rupees is in 5 years during you have to doing for the big expenses sometimes, because that you have to buy some cars, some cars, and some you have to buy for some and you are renting for that in trips with family, and somehow some of the expenses, some of the big expenses are happening. So that's why you can't be saving for that. And festivals are coming for the festivals, and so some functions are arranging, and they have to manage, and some of the big expenses are happening. So that's why you can't save that these days bulk of returns. So that's why here in share market is giving that the spark cost of investment is to making for the bulk of returns. So that's why you have to learn for share market and invest money in the share market and earn money in the share market and get financial freedom of life, and you have to solve for your financial commitments and create passive income in the share market, and learn share market, because without knowledge, without your learning in the investment amount is you have to lose for no money. So that's why first learn and analyze and research on what is the what business and which business are going in the demand in the society, and which which products are which services are more like and attractive, and that's you have to analyze for everything and focus for everything in society, which products, which businesses are performing well, and that's the buy for that shares and make money and holding for long times, and for at least 5 to 10 years holding for the shares, and get bulk of returns. You are 10 to 20 years holding that stocks, you definitely we are getting for the financial freedom of life, and you are getting for the you are making for the use money in your future. So buy shares and hold for the long times, and first focus and do research which stocks are giving perform well, which business are performing well in the stock, which future, what is the future of the business, which business are business are performing well in the future. You have to analyze for everything and then invest money then buy for that business shares and hold for the long times, and you also make bulk of returns. In front of videos and share this video, share for your friends and families and anyone, share for anyone also. And in front of videos are more stocks, more returns giving the stocks are coming for in this channel, and do subscribe for this channel, and thank you for watching this video. That's it.